In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This text outlines the virtues and hadiths concerning Surah An-Nas, which is the final chapter of the Holy Quran, and along with Surah Al-Falaq, is known as Al-Mu'awwidhatayn, the two surahs of refuge. These chapters offer divine protection against all forms of evil, whispers, and the malice of Satan. It was the sunnah of our beloved Prophet, Muhammad, peace be upon him, that when he would go to bed at night, he would blow into his hands, recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah An-Nas, and then wipe his hands over his body as far as they could reach. These surahs hold great significance in the Quran and Hadith. Reciting them before sleep is a sunnah and serves as a vital means of protection against evil influences. A narration from Hazrat Uqba bin Amir states that the Prophet, peace be upon him, asked, "Do you know that such verses have been revealed to me tonight, the likes of which have never been seen?" He was referring to Surah Al-Falaq and Surah An-Nas. These chapters are a special gift from Allah, serving as the best supplication and a source of protection, and it is essential for every Muslim to recite them.